Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So quadratic formula is our today's topic. In our previous session also we showed you an aspect of the Excel power in which you can apply in solving the mathematical, algebraic, quadratic equation and problems like this, right? So in today's session, we explain you a quadratic equation like 2m square minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 5m, right? So this is a quadratic equation. You can easily understand it because the quadratic equation is simply ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you would say that there is no equal to 0, but so okay, bring it here and make it 0, right? You can rewrite this problem as this equation by bringing this uh, minus 5, replacing it with 0, and bringing the minus 5 in here. So this time it will become, instead of minus 5, because it is being moved towards left side of the equation. So from minus it is going to become plus. That's a simple algebraic notion. Okay. So this is a quadratic formula, and all you need to do is adjust this a bit so that it brings the right thing in here. If we increase 4 to say 6 or 7, right? So you will see that it is bringing, yeah, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, right? So we don't want equal to sign to be here. Okay, make it 8. Okay, so it has brought the left side of the equation in here, and it is now doing all these things. It means uh, 2m square minus 5m. Okay, then you are going to, so it is plus 5 now this time, plus 5 and 5 uh, plus 5 times m. The m is here, 5 plus 5 times m, and that's, so this how it is going to bring like this. Okay, fair enough. And now we use this formula and we put the values. What we put in a, it is obviously it is 2, right? If you split this quadratic formula, keeping in view this quadratic formula here, it means you will say that instead of ax squared, it will be 2m squared. So a is equal to 2, right? So this is 2, fair enough. And this is bx, it is 5m. So 5 is b, right? And the c is plus c is minus 3. That's right. Okay. So the same formula, we are going to use the x value. X value is minus b, right? That is 5, right? So minus b will be 5. So minus b will be plus 5 later on. Okay. Minus b will be minus 5, right? Okay. Fair enough. And then as a square root, this is the square root is starting from here, right? the b square, this is the b square, that is 5c square, right? Minus 4ac, 4, and a is 2, and c is minus 3, right? Then this whole thing divided by 2a, 2a, that is 2 into a, that is b10, that's right. Okay, so you get the first value 0.5. Fair enough. Okay, how about the second value? The same thing we have to do, only the difference is that instead of this plus, we will make it minus this. Otherwise, the entire thing remain like this. Okay, so this is right. So this is minus 3. It is coming as minus 3. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is minus 3. So this is the output of the formula without using any goal-seek, etc. Means without solving it. We have used this x formula, and it has come up with these two values, right? One value for plus case, and the other value we have a minus case in here, right? Okay. Now let's check it through the goal-seek, that we go to the data, we use the goal-seek here, what if analysis, and we say our objective is this to become 0, right? By changing this value. Okay, so it is going to get you the 0, right? And this is okay. So this is the 0.28, that is around minus around 3 or so. Okay, hang on, please. Okay, let me check it here. So we have uh, uh, made the rectification here. Actually, in this scenario where we do not have the other equation on the side, and we have only 0, so our goal-seek is supposed to watch directly this instead of this, right? Okay, so let's go and verify the goal-seek. For example, we have here, for example, -1. Okay, so we have to see, using the goal-seek, what if analysis, we go to the goal-seek and we set this to be 0, because this entire equation, when evaluated, it should come, our objective is that it becomes 0. And 0, and by changing what? By changing this, okay? So we click here. That's it. So it has become 0, and it has made the value 0.5. That's right. Okay. So it has value validated by this. How about if we put -3 here? If we put -3 here, then still it should go. It should result in 0. Yeah, we have put -3, and in both cases it is evaluating 0, so it is proven. Means this calculation, which the x x value with using this formula, the quadratic function formula, has been, which it has returned. Now we can verify it by putting each value like 0.5 here. So it will come, it is returning 0. Any other value, if we put, it is not non-zero, right? So we want it to be 0. Which value we should put? So this has correctly given it that you put 0.5, 0.5, right? Sorry, not here. You put 0.5 here. Then this is resolving to be 0. And that is the solution, that it has to be equal to 0, right? Anything the other value, the result 2 in case of for minus case. So if you put -3 in here, so it is still 0, right? So that's right. That means the solution is passed and solution is okay. The quadratic equation formula which we have worked, it is working error free. It is correctly working, right? So this is how you apply the Excel skills to, to solve the quadratic equations, simple math or algebraic equation. Okay, thank you very much for watching.